Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Riyaj. You are watching the Noor of Quran and Sunnah YouTube channel. And today our topic is porn addiction and masturbation. How a person can come out from porn addiction and masturbation. Is there any solution in Quran that can help us to come out from porn addiction? Yes, there is a solution. And there is a method which can help you to come out from porn addiction. And I have already used that method and I have got help by using that method in my daily life, and I felt that I should share this method to you guys, those are suffering from porn addiction. Before I talk about that method, I will recommend you to watch my another video which is all about how we can block porn website in smartphone. So let's talk about this method. It is mentioned in surah number 24 ayat, surah number 24, the name of that surah An-Nur, and verses 30. As you can see on screen that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, tell the believing men to lower their gaze from looking at forbidden things and protect their private parts from illegal sexual acts. That is pure for them. Verily Allah is aware of what they do. This is the method. This ayah is the method which can help you to come out from porn addiction. I will explain to you how you can, why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that lower your gaze. Don't look at forbidden things. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything. What you feel, what you see, what you think, what you need. Everything He knows. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, protect your eyes. And if you are able to protect your eyes, if you are able to lower your gaze by don't looking at forbidden things, so you will be the successful person. You will able to come from porn addiction. So you need to focus on this ayah. Always lower your gaze. Don't look, especially don't look at girls. Don't look at women, because your weakness is women. Because you have a desire which is sexual desire, and there is a only way to fulfill that desire is to getting married. So you need to understand that I have a desire and I need to control it. How I can control it? By lowering my gaze. So you need to lower your gaze, because if you look at forbidden things, you will feel a sexual desire. You will feel something in your heart. You will think about that. When you think about that, shaitan will control you. By using that thinking, shaitan will try to fall you into a sin. So don't look at forbidden things. You need to understand this is the method. Don't look at forbidden things. Lower your gaze. When you are able to lower your gaze, you will be able to protect your private parts. And you have to leave all things those are attract you to watch porn videos. You have to leave those friends, those are always talk about this type of things, porn addiction, always abused. They always use ashleel words. It means abusing words. So don't make friends with those type of guys. Especially don't make friends to girls, because you have a desire. You need to understand. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that when two person in a room, one is girl, one is boy, they are not 2%, there will be a shaitan, because shaitan always try to make us fool, and shaitan always try us to commit a sin. So you need to understand, protect your private parts. How you can protect your private parts? By don't looking at forbidden things. How you can do it? By lowering your gaze. So you need to understand that you must lower your gaze, and I have already used this method, and I have got help, and I always try to do that. And you need to keep distance from girls. You need to keep distance. Whatever, you don't look at you don't listening song, don't listen in song, because song is the weapon of shaitan. Shaitan can, if you listen song, then you will feel something, and shaitan can control you. If shaitan control you, that means you will going to fall in a sin. You will going to commit a sin. So you need to understand that protect your private parts. How can you protect? By don't looking at forbidden things. How you can do that? By lowering your gaze. And you have to leave those friends, those are always abuse people, and those are always use abusing words. So you need to understand and keep distance from girls, and try to avoid listening song, watching movies. Watch those movies. Don't watch movies. I will not recommend you, because I don't watch movies. I don't listen songs, because I need to protect myself. So how I can protect? By avoiding those things which is make desire in myself. So I need to avoid those things, and you have to avoid those things. When you are able to avoid those things which is make you a desire in yourself, which is sexual desire, so you have to understand that don't watch any type of movies, don't listen any songs. You have to give a second, you have to take a decision, and you need to um, sacrifice something, because I have already sacrificed. So I understand how a person can come out from porn addiction. That's why I am sharing to you sharing this method to you guys. So you need to understand, you need to focus, you need to work on your weakness, you need to work on your desire. So you first I said 3 times, because you need to lower your gaze. You must lower your gaze, because if you are able to lower your gaze, shaitan will never ever can cheat you. So you need to understand, because these eyes are the biggest weapon of shaitan, and by using these eyes, shaitan can control you, shaitan can do anything he wants. So you need to understand, you need to focus, you need to work on your weakness, which is girls. You need to keep distance from girls. You need to protect your private parts. You don't look at forbidden things. You need to lower your gaze. Always try to do that. And I recommend you to watch my another video. I will upload you. It will be all about how we can come out from masturbation, how we can beat masturbation. So that will be my next video. So I'll recommend you to watch that video also. And if you want to know more things about this video, if you want to know about how porn addiction can what are the side effects of porn addiction, what are the side effects of masturbation, you can comment in description below. And if you want to know about this video, something more about this video, then you can comment in description below. I will answer that comment, and I'll try to help you guys, because I am here to help you guys, and I will always try to bring a solution from Quran and Sunnah. Okay, so you protect your eyes, keep distance from girls, lower your gaze, don't look at forbidden things, and don't make friendship with those guys who always abuse people, because it will destroy you, and shaitan can control you easily when you look at a girl, when you make friendship with those type of people. So you need to understand, you need to, first thing you need to focus how you can lower your gaze. Just lower your gaze, try to always lower your gaze and walk, lower your gaze and run, whatever you can do, but you have to lower your gaze. Don't look at forbidden things, please. Don't look at forbidden things, because if you want to come out from that addiction, you need to focus on this ayah, and it will help you to come out from porn addiction. And in next video I'll talk about masturbation. So this is all about porn addiction, and if you want to know more about this porn addiction, you can comment in description below, and like this video if you feel that this video is beneficial for you. Like this video and share this video, and join with us to beat masturbation, to beat porn addiction, to beat shaitan. Join with us. Wa akhir dawana walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.